The next tool we'll be learning today is the crop tool. As you know, crop tool helps us in cropping the image. Here you can see we can select the part of the image where we want to crop. If you don't want a square selection or square crop, you can do this or change this by the option available here. So now you can crop the image according to the dimensions you want to crop the image. And furthermore, you can crop the image according to some custom sizes available here that are original ratio, that is another one is square, 4:5 or 8:10, 5:7, and there are many more options available here, which are generally some of the options are for mobile, for web, and many more further things. You can exit the crop tool by clicking once on the screen and then press escape button twice.